In the mining industry, the equipment and the demands are ever-changing and getting larger and larger. Some haulers have up to 4,000 horsepower and weigh over 200 tons. The tires on these machines are huge and can stand over 10 feet tall and weigh over 5,000 pounds. This is a major investment for contractors and mining companies. Tires play a huge role in the performance of the machines, so you must make sure you have the correct tires for the correct applications. Mining tires must be designed to handle the toughest of demands. Quarries and mine sites have some of the roughest terrain, with rocky, sharp, uneven surfaces. Tires can easily be punctured or cut from jagged edges and tough turns. The equipment can carry loads of over 400 tons, so ensuring proper pressure for the haul is crucial. It is important that the tires used in these conditions can withstand the abuse of their environment. Protecting your tires is important in order to get the best return on your investment. Regular tire maintenance can extend tire life and help improve tire wear. Tracking your tire's performance can also assist in determining what is causing increased wear and tear and how to prevent future damage. Hot or wet conditions, inclining and descending terrains, sharp turns, heavy debris, and increased loads can all decrease the life of a tire and cause premature failures. Downtime costs money, and proper tire care can lead to huge savings. BKT has a full line of mining tires designed for all applications and environment. From radial to bias, cut or heat resistance, our technical teams and engineers are available to help identify the proper tires, help determine correct inflation pressures, and track tire performance. To learn more about BKT's lineup of mining tires, visit us at our Mine Expo booth in Central Hall in Las Vegas from September 13th through 15th, or visit bkt-tires.com. Thank you.